Hadrianopolis Epirus. Hadrianopolis or Hadrianoupolis, ancient Greek Ἁδριανούπολης, was a town of ancient Epirus and Illyricum, founded by Hadrian and situated on the road from Apollonia. It was repaired and moved by Justinian I, and called Justinianopolis, and became one of the cities of the government of Old Epirus and the see of a bishop. The small theatre and other vestiges in the plain below Libókhovo mark the position of this city. 10 or 12 miles lower down the river are the ruins of a fortress or small town of the Byzantine age, called Drynópoli, which name has been taken for a corruption of the old city, though it really is derived from the river on which the place is situated, still called Drýno or Drýno. These remains are of a later age than the theatre, which belongs to paganism. The probability is that when Hadrianopolis fell into ruins, Dryonopolis was built on a different site, and became the see of the bishop. Hadrianopolis in Epiro remains a titular see of the Roman Catholic Church. Its site is located near Sofratikë, Dropull in Albania.